Welcome back to part 2 of the video on how to start your YouTube channel. Nice to have you here. Please remember to subscribe to the channel so as you'll get notified when I upload a new video. If you find this video useful, if you like it, you enjoy it, kindly let me know from the comments section below. Also, I have put a link for a free book. Kindly take advantage, get the book, get to learn something about affiliate marketing. I've also posted below a link to the Organic Traffic Ecosystem course by Rachel S. Lee. This course will help you to learn how to drive traffic to your offers without spending a dime on ads. Now let's go straight to today's lesson, and we're going to learn about how to set up your page description and much more. Now, you need to write a clear about page description when you're starting your channel. That is something that is very important. Write a clear page description. Your page description should tell what your channel is about, what kind of content is to be expected. You can also let the viewer know how often you're going to upload your new videos. Write it such that whoever reads it, especially if it comes from within your target niche or target audience, actually, they'll be able to know what you're up to and subscribe to your channel. That is the whole idea, to have people understand what your channel is about. Then the next thing is your channel art. Your channel art has to be good. It makes you appear professional. It makes your page to appear professional. So make a good channel art, and a good place to get a tool that you can use for that for free is canva.com or Photoshop. You can also use Photoshop or canva.com, and there are many other tools online that you can look for that can help you. Now, it is a good place. The channel art is a good place to create a good first impression. However, if yours is not that good right now and needs some work, let it not stop you from launching your channel. Remember what I said, just start, brother or sister. As you can see, my channel art is also under construction. I may have to keep tweaking it here and there until finally I get what is perfect for me. Another way for you to do is to hire someone, a graphic designer or someone with some experience with Canva. Let him help you get your channel art up. A good channel art can be attractive to some people. An ugly one can put off some people who may think that you're not serious with whatever you're doing. So it's worthwhile to invest some time and, if necessary, some money on a good channel art. But if you're like me, you love doing it yourself, no problem. Go ahead and get it done for yourself. That is a channel art there. As you can see, this is my current channel art, which I'll be upgrading it to something better quite soon, probably by my next video. Now, the next thing is the channel icon. Channel icon is a very important part of your video. As you can see, that's what a channel icon is. The channel icon shows in more places in YouTube than anything else. It shows in your YouTube, it shows in YouTube watch pages, search results, community tab, subscription, video comments, featured channels, and related channels. So it's good that you have an icon, YouTube icon. I'm going to show in another video how you can upload the channel icon. That can be a problem for some people. Let it be a clear picture or a logo or whatever you find relevant. Just upload it there as your channel icon, because it's important. Many people are going to see your channel icon. It's hard to have someone not see it. For most people, your channel icon will be the first thing they will see about your channel. Now, again, please remember to subscribe to this channel and download the free book below. Now, how are you going to grow your channel? Now, you already have your channel set up and you need to grow it. And you can see my own channel. I'm on the journey to grow my channel. I'm just a beginner. I'm learning from other people who are successful, and that's what you've got to do if you want to grow your channel. Look for people who are making it, learn from them, apply whatever you're learning, and if you can, teach other people whatever you're learning. You cannot succeed in growing your channel by only sharing your link with friends and relatives. No, maybe you have 100 friends and relatives. Those are not enough to grow your channel. You want to get to hundreds, thousands, to tens of thousands and much more. So you'll have to execute strategies that are workable. And that's what I'm doing. And that's what you ought to do. You're going to execute some strategies that are working for those who are experienced and those who have been in this game for long. Now, one of the things that you can do is to make sure that you grow your channel is to have great, relevant, and helpful content. Remember, people come to your channel because of the content, not because they just love you. They're because of the content. So make sure you have great, relevant, and helpful content, and also try to make it engaging so that when you see in the next points what it means to have people engaging. Now, invest in quality content for your audience. If they like your content, they will keep looking forward for your content, and many more people will subscribe, and they're going to have more viewership, and that's what you want. And if there's something you're selling, you're going to have customers out of the viewers. In other words, you're going to start making money out of your videos. Now, help people find your videos. Make your videos easily findable. You know, you may have the best videos ever, but if no one can find them, you will have no views. Now, one of the ways in which you can make your videos to be easily searchable or found is optimizing your video for search engine. You can use keywords 2 to 3 times in the video description. In another video, I'm going to talk more about that, but use the keyword for your video. Make sure you use it at the description 2 or 3 times, and use keyword rich tags. Use popular keywords. These are keywords that lots of people use in YouTube. Use keyword autocomplete. Now, that is a tool that's given by YouTube. It's available there for you to use so that you may be able to know what kind of words you can use, popular words. These are keywords that lots of people use in YouTube. For example, when you're searching for something in YouTube, it will suggest keywords for you. By doing that, YouTube is telling you that these are terms that lots of people use to find videos on YouTube. Also, do encourage people to comment. Invite comments by asking viewers questions that will lead to them answering by making a comment. Like I said initially, let your videos be engaging. Let your content be engaging. That means ask questions. Let people respond to your questions. Let the people ask questions, and let there be engagement from your viewers right from your comment section. Then what you can do, you can pin your question at the top of the comment section so that whoever reads it will comment below, and then you're going to have engagement from your viewers. Comment helps make YouTube notice that your video is loved by people. Hence, they will show it to more people. And if people comment to your videos, make sure that you respond. You respond to the comment. If you have a question, respond. If they are just comments, say something so that the engagement keeps continuing and you build a connection with your viewers. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please remember to subscribe to this video and expect more videos coming. Thank you so much. God bless.